The ethical supply chain ensures the calm transfer of the livestock into the automated intake system.
Scan results on panel 3 look good.
Confirmed. Temperatures are stable across the group.
The flow is clear for pen 12.
All right, initiating the sequence now.
The saturation levels are stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. The pastel shade is perfect.
Pressure stabilizing at negative 90 kPa.
Good. The mixture looks completely smooth now.
The mixture is achieving the perfect silky consistency.
Yes, the homogenization is complete. Log the results. Temperatures are holding steady at -12.
The crystallization looks good on this batch.
Look at this reading, well within parameters.
Excellent. The sterilization cycle is complete.
The current setting is stable, but let's increase the duration by 10 minutes.
Agreed. The texture on these pink samples looks excellent.
Here in the quality inspection zone, AI scanning systems and robotic arms work in unison to guarantee perfection. As you can see, the automated arms have increased our efficiency by 20% this quarter.
The precision is remarkable.
As you can see, the predictive analysis adjusted the shipment trajectory automatically, ensuring the Dallas facility remains fully stocked. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Bringing it in now.
That's secure, send the next one.
This spike here correlates with the morning shipments from the main depot. Yes, the adjustment to the routing algorithm is working.
Clear the bay, move those pallets to aisle 7. We need that shipment out by noon.
Oh, this scent is heavenly.
It's our signature rosewater blend, madam. It truly is exquisite.
We'll definitely take a few boxes of that one.
Here are your items, sir. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you.
Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your day.